Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your Red Magic Astra tablet. First of all, be aware that this operation will erase all data from your tablet. Therefore, if you can, then before you do that, back up all the data from your tablet to either your PC or to an external cloud. And when you're ready, go to Settings, then go to System menu, System and Update on the sidebar. Then here we're gonna have to scroll down to Reset Options and then go to Erase All Data and then confirm by tapping Erase All Data and enter your current password, then confirm once again. And then you're gonna have to wait for a couple of minutes until the factory reset operation is finished. And after the factory reset operation is finished, you will see the start of the setup screen on your tablet again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.